Hey YouTube, here we are back at the 509, and I wanted to show you this knife that I got for Father's Day. This was a recent release from Hogue, and this one's called the Deka in CPM Magnacut, and it has blue polymer scales, 3 1/4 inch clip point blade, and let's check it out. I just got another knife a little while back in Magnacut. It's the PSK EDC, so check our videos. You can check that one out as well. But here it is, its own little zipper bag, and this is it. Comes out pretty easy. Action going back down isn't too smooth quite yet. I'll have to put a couple of miles on it and get it broken in a little bit. This knife is really lightweight, like really light. This lock release that they have here is called an Able lock. I guess it's their own design, ABLE, and it's ambidextrous either side. It works. It's got a reversible pocket clip, lanyard hole, but this isn't going to be a real technical video, guys. I was just wanting to show you the unboxing and what it looks like. CPM Magnacut. Hogue Deka. All right, so there you go. If y'all like this video, please be sure and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We got several videos that we just put out, and we're gonna be making some more videos here soon. I really enjoy knives, and I've been putting some more knife videos in here every once in a while. I'm also gonna make a video, and I'll probably wait till after I post this video about these lanyard beads that I've been making to represent the knife itself. Stainless steel hardware. This one's a jade G10 with the blue liners to represent that blade. I think they're coming out pretty cool. I really enjoy making them, and I think they look great. So anyways, I'll be putting a video out, so keep an eye out on that. So be sure you hit the bell notification so you can get notified when I make a new video. So all right, y'all take care.